Akhil Srivastava teaching you NCERT class 10th maths construction chapter number 11. In previous lecture I have explained till the exercise 11.2 question number 2. Now we will see the question number 3 today. Question number 3 is given: draw a circle of radius 3 cm to take 2 points P and Q, one of its extended diameter, each at 7 cm from its center. Draw tangent to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. First of all, you see what is, we'll take given CO3, circle of radius 3 cm. We will draw. First of all, we will draw a circle of radius 3 cm. What is given? From the center O, OP 7 cm and OQ 7 cm to construct the tangent to CO3 from P and Q. Construction steps. First of all, step 1. First of all, we take the radius 3 cm and draw the circle. What will draw? Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Second step is given: produce diameter such that OP is and equal to OQ is equal to 7. So by the scale we will take a one diameter and produce it, which gives you 7 cm. P and then here this side 7, and draw a line this, write P and Q. Third one is given: OP and OQ as diameter, draw OP and OQ as a diameter. OP means this. OP is a diameter, means M is the midpoint. How will you get the midpoint? Previous lecture I have told more than half of it. Draw a perpendicular bisector of PO. Draw a perpendicular bisector of PO. So it gives you a midpoint M. So PO upon 2 means PM as a radius, M as a center. You will draw a circle. We will draw a circle which intersect the given circle at A and B. It is the and Q, because both have same radius, OP is equal to OQ, so same times we will draw a perpendicular bisector of OQ which gives you N, midpoint, N as a center and NO as a radius. We will draw a circle which intersect the given circle at C and D. So I have written here CN OQ by 2, CM OP by 2, OP by 2 radius, M is a center, which intersect the CO3 at A, B, C and D, 4 points. Join PA and PB, QC and QD, and which is your required tangent. PA, PB, QC, QD are required tangent, each of equal length 6.4 cm. We will get each of equal length. Question number 4 is given. Draw a pair of tangent to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined each other at an angle of 60 degree. It is given a question, there is a no any distance of the point is given. So calculation part, this type of a question, first of all we will draw a small rough figure. PA and PB tangent which is inclined at 60 degree. 5 cm is the radius given. So you want to draw a tangent. Tangent where it meets that point is P. So in this calculation is very important, because point we don't know where is P. So we want to note the point at the center, which angle is here. So first of all we will apply the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. PAOB, angle P plus A plus B plus AOB equal to 360, angle sum property of quadrilateral. Put all the values because radius perpendicular to the tangent, so each angle 90 degree. Here 60, so by third angle will be 160 degree. We calculate angle AOB, then draw a circle. What is the first step? Very simple step. We will draw a circle of center O and radius 5. So I am taking center O and radius 5 and drawing a circle. So first of all you will draw a circle this. After drawing a circle, draw a radius OA, any side. It depends because you will get a figure any side and here is no place. P copy is less. So I am drawing the slant radius. One radius I am drawing, any radius. You can draw this side, you can draw this side, you can any place. One radius you will draw or this side, and at the center you draw 120 degree by compass. We know the how will you draw 120 degree by the compass. Here I am drawing 120 degree by the compass, one angle arc, second arc 60 degree, third arc 120 degree. So I am getting angle AOB. Then 120 degree by scale you join this 120 line and you get B. So AOB you are getting. Now because of the rough figure you know at A there is a 90 degree, at B also 90 degree. Again by your compass you will draw a 90 degree at this place and 90 degree at this place, which line meets at a point, that point will be P. And you can measure this angle will be 60 degree. PA and PB, join, no need of joining because you are drawing a line of 90 degree which meets at a point which is P, and it is your required tangent P and PB. Question number 5 you see, there is a draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. First of all you draw a line segment of 8 cm. After drawing this line segment, from a center A you draw a radius 4 cm one circle, and from B you draw a radius of 3 cm a circle. Then construct a tangent from center of these two circles to the other circle. Means from A to circle at B, from B the circle at A. Just very simple. Means A is the exterior point for circle at B and B is the exterior point of circle at A. So what is given I have written. What is given? AB a line segment, a circle at is here, a circle at A comma 4 radius. A radius of 4 cm. First of all what will you do? You will draw a circle, and then at B there is a circle of radius 3 cm. CB3 means circle of center B radius 3. To construct tangents from where? A to this circle CB3 and B to CA4. From B to CA4 and from A to CB3. C means circle, C indicates the circle. First, what is your first step? Draw AB 8 cm. I am drawing AB 8 cm. After drawing A, what I am here saying, same thing you will draw in your copy. Now at A you put the compass, take the radius 4 cm on the scale. You will take the radius how much? 4 cm, and then from here you will draw a circle. What? A circle whose radius is how much? 4 cm. Now put the compass at B, take the radius 3 cm. 3 cm you will measure in the scale, and from here I am drawing a circle whose radius is how much? 3 cm. Now you want to draw a circle from A to circle at B, from B to tangent at C. So tangent drawing means join the center to that point. It is already AB. AB is the line which gives the exterior point A for this circle, gives the exterior point B for this circle. It means you draw a circle with AB as a diameter. Draw a circle AB as a diameter. What? M as a center, AB by 2, which intersect the given circles at 4 points P, Q, R and S. So first of all you draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. Perpendicular bisector more than half both the side. From A also same thing. You are getting M is the midpoint. At M you put the compass. Take the radius OAM and draw a dotted circle which intersect given two circles at 4 points P, Q, R and S. Join from A. First of all your question is draw a tangent from A. So AP and AQ is your required tangent. Then another third point, join BR and BS tangent from B to A4, circle of center A, radius 4. Four tangents you are getting. One is BR and BS, one is AP and AQ. One red line I have drawn from B. So you are getting 4 tangents, AP, AQ, BR and BS. Like this, the question number 6. In the question number 6, what is given? Let a triangle whose angle is 90 degree. Sides are given. One perpendicular BD on hypotenuse and BCD there is a circle. Construct a tangent from it. What is given? Accordingly you draw it. First of all, rough figure. Rough figure I have drawn. B90 BDC circle I have drawn rough figure. It is all the rough. And by seeing this rough figure, you will draw a fair figure. BC8 and ABC. BC 8 centimeter, AB 6 centimeter. So first of all, draw a triangle of given measure. How? Draw BC 8 centimeter, at B draw 90 degree A and then join AC. Your triangle is ready. Draw perpendicular from B to AC. How will you draw? Class 6 you know. One arc you make like this. It is a one arc. And from here you will take more than half and then again mark one arc here. These 2 points. I am taking these 2 points. And from here also the same thing. Where they intersect you join from B and this gives you the D which is 90 degree. It is a BD perpendicular to AC. Drawing a perpendicular from B. Now I have written draw per BD perpendicular to AC. BDC has a BDC circle is cross. It means center lies on perpendicular bisector of sides. So because it is 90 degree, so this is a diameter. Angle 9 theorem. Angle in semicircle is right angle, so it will be a diameter. So I am drawing perpendicular bisector of BC and get O as a center. At O you draw put a needle of compass and draw radius OB and draw a circle. It is your circle passing through BDC. It is your circle which is passing through BD. See why I am perpendicular bisector this taking, because it is 90 means it is the diameter. 9th standard theorem is given. Now O is the center, OB is radius. So angle AOB 90, AB is a tangent. Because it is a radius and it is a 90 degree, so it will be a tangent. AB will be tangent and tangent from exterior points are equal. So A as a center and AB as a radius, you open till AB like this and then mark an arc on the circle which is P. One tangent already you are getting. One tangent is AB because radius perpendicular tangent, so it will be a tangent. And from A you take a center AB radius and mark AP and join AP. AP and AB is required tangent. AP equal to AB and it is a required tangent because exterior point tangents are equal. So all the things you read carefully and then draw it. Very simple, you are getting. Last question of this chapter is given. Draw a circle with the help of angle. Take a point outside of it and construct the tangent to the circle. First of all you will see bangle. Bangle means anything you will take circular. So I have drawn by this figure. Here I am taking this, a disc, a table mat, and then I am drawing a circle with the help of this. When I have drawn this, not by compass, so it means there is no center. How will you get the center? Without center it is not possible to draw tangent. So first of all I am taking 3 non-collinear points A, B and C. Class 9th, join AB and BC Draw the perpendicular bisector of AB and BC which intersect at a point, and this point will be a circle because perpendicular bisector of the chord passes through the center. This is the theorem of class 9th. And BC and AB are the two chords of a circle, and both the perpendicular bisector I am drawing, they meet at center O. So center O we are getting. Now take a point P outside and draw a line OP. OP has a diameter, draw a circle. Perpendicular bisector again I have taken, here is the midpoint, and then M as a center. Perpendicular bisector OP as a, take more than half, draw perpendicular bisector. After drawing perpendicular bisector you will get a midpoint. From midpoint you take a radius and draw the circle. This circle intersects the given circle by bangle at Q and R. Join PQ and PR, and which is your required tangent. Join PQ and PR. PQ and PR is required tangent which you are drawing to a circle which is drawn by the bangle or by any other circular things. So we are getting one more method is there, but it is a very simple method. So that's all. Today I have finished your construction chapter, and all the type of construction you read carefully and solve step by step. What here I have told you, you adopt with your compass, scale, and one step you listen and draw, you will understand, and easily you can finish this chapter. Thanks.